Hi, I'm Pete Kutzer with the Orvis Fly Fishing Schools. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about casting very large, oversized flies with your fly rod. Now, when we have these great big large flies like this, they're very wind resistant and they can make casting really tricky. There's a few things we can do to help aid in casting these large flies. The first thing we want to do is have a very short leader. My leader right here is about 6 feet long. I have this great big fly. I'm not going to turn this fly over with 1, 2, 3 pound test. I need some heavy stuff, so I have a 20-pound test leader. The second thing I want to try to do is open up my cast a little bit. And I'm going to do a Belgium cast or an oval cast. I'm going to make a low angle back cast and then bring it up and do an overhead forward cast. If I make a over the head cast and wait, forward cast like this, that fly is so big that it actually shocks the line, and that's creating a lot of slack. By having a more open cast here and here, what I'm doing is actually keeping the line a little bit tighter. There, and then over the top, there, over the top. I can actually start to deliver this great big fly 30, 40, 50 feet, even 60 feet, and start catching some fish. With big flies, they catch some really big fish. When you're doing musky fishing, or you're going pike fishing, they're a lot of fun to throw, and with a little bit of practice and a good haul, we can actually start to deliver these large flies pretty easily.